Hey guys, Mike on Internet Pro. Thanks so much for joining me here on a new video, guys. This is again a day in the life with Mike on the Internet Pro. You have to understand, guys, these are videos where I'm actually showing you how I make this type of money on a daily basis and what I'm doing with the money, how I'm living around the world. Now you can too. Okay, now what I did is I switched up the view here on my email system so you can actually see it in this bright blue color. It should be a lot easier for you to see now. A lot easier. As you can see, the money's coming in while I'm sleeping. We got sales coming in while I'm sleeping. We have the residual 1748s coming in while I'm sleeping. We got lead lightning sales coming in while I'm sleeping. Okay. We got some more sales here while I'm sleeping. Today's the 27th, guys. Another $50 sale. How would you like these $50 sales coming in while you sleep on autopilot? Okay. We got some money here. $122 while I'm sleeping, guys. How would you like this money coming in again while I'm sleeping? $16 sales, $17 sales. Again, all this while I'm sleeping. These is multiple streams of incomes, guys. Multiple streams of income coming in constantly while I'm sleeping. This is adding up, guys. It's adding up. Now, again, I live in Southeast Asia where things are very inexpensive. So this money is like times 10. I hope you understand that. This money for me is a lot of money for what I do on a daily basis here in Southeast Asia. It's very minimalistic lifestyle that I lead. Now, guys, this is what I want you to understand. All you have to do is copy my websites, copy my system. That's it. Okay? The link is below this video. I want you to watch the video where I actually am at this resort. Very, very high-end resort here in Southeast Asia. Beautiful resort. I want you to check it out. Having the time of my life. I want to show you guys that the ocean is there, the beach is there, islands are there, guys. Everything you can imagine, everything you ever dreamed of is here where I'm at right now, located where I'm at. Okay? We're taking boats out to islands. We're swimming in this deep blue sea. We're checking out these resorts. We're eating the most fresh fruit and tropical type of healthy, nutritious meals that you can actually eat. Indonesian food, Malaysian food, Filipino food, Thai food, guys. Now, I'm not saying that to brag. I'm saying that this can be your lifestyle if you simply choose to join and partner with me. Again, copying and pasting everything that I'm doing. That's simply copy and paste what I do. Copy my websites. You'll find the link below. Get started today, okay? I have an autoresponder system that will send you out the information automatically. And this can be your lifestyle. Enjoy the videos. Enjoy what you see. This is proof positive. I can't make this stuff up, okay? These videos are proof that I am living what I am showing you. And that is the supreme reason why I'm showing you these videos. A day in the life with Mike on Internet Pro. So you can actually see that I'm telling the truth about living the life that so many people say that you can do, that you can dream of. Next, stay tuned for the next video where I will be on the water. On the boat, in the water, on the islands. You will see it for yourself. Continue to enjoy these videos and continue to be inspired that you can live anywhere in the world and you can live from anywhere where there's a Wi-Fi connection. Again, copy and paste. That's all you have to do. Follow my lead. Join it with Team Michael. It's Michael Internet Pro. Click the link below. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Continue to watch. Join me today. Sign up today. Get inspired. Invest today. I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.
Yeah. Oh, over there. Yeah, they're all on the water, aren't they? Same thing happens to me. I come out here and start sweating. Same exact thing. It's crazy. But this time, we came prepared. Second time's a charm.
This time, we come prepared.
My baby. Baby, give me some love. Give me some love.
What?
It's beautiful. Still beautiful, even with the little raindrops. Still still so beautiful. The clouds are still so beautiful. Actually, it's more beautiful. I like that over there. Look at that. That is nice. That backdrop on the mountain, it's like the clouds are a little darker.